Hey guys, it's Roy from Oracle12 and EpicDroid.com, and I'm here today with the SmartDEVil Quick Installation Screen Protector for the Google Pixel 7. Now I know the Google Pixel 7 has been out for a little while now. This is my daughter's phone though, and my daughter recently came up to me and told me that she had broken her screen protector. It was completely by accident. She's normally really good with her phone, and this isn't something that happens very often. However, at the same time, SmartDEVil reached out to me and said, hey, we've got some screen protectors that are super easy to install and we'd love to see you do a video on them. And so I figured it was a good opportunity to kill two birds with one stone, get my daughter a new screen protector, try out a new product I haven't tried before, and see how it holds up. Now, full disclosure, I have never used one of SmartDEVil's products before. I have never used a quick installation screen protector before, so I am going into this completely blind. So let's go ahead and let's start this journey together and let's see how this thing works. So first things first, the screen protector does go for about $22 on Amazon. However, we do have a coupon code that will be in the video description down below. That code will get you 30% off. So if we're impressed with the screen protector, if you're impressed with the screen protector, definitely hit that link in the description down below and use that coupon code and get this screen protector for about $6 or $7 off. So let's go ahead and open this thing up here. Okay, so we've got a couple of things in here. Let's see what everything is. So we've got this tray here. We've got some film installation toolkits. We got this envelope. It's the envelope bag with accessories. Comes with the screen protector and instructions. So one of the first things I see here is it does come with multiple screen protectors. It looks like it's got one here. Yeah, it's got one here already, so there's one already pre-attached. And then it comes with some replacement ones, so if you break that one, you can go ahead and you can swap it out for these. And it also has, I think these are, oh yeah, some lens protector ones. So we're going to set those off to the side here. I'll be using those in just a second. Let's look at our quick installation instructions. Oh, so this is for the lens protector, this is for the regular one. So pretty straightforward. Let's go ahead. We need to take off her old screen protector here. And that thing was very brittle. It shattered on there and left a couple of pieces of tempered glass. Wipe that down real quick. It's got a little number on there for you so you know which one it is. It's a nice little touch there. So first, cleaning wipe. Now for the tricky part. I'll put this on. It's got a nice little label there. Tells you where the top is. Push that down. And grab this tab. Okay, that could not have just attached my screen protector. That was way too easy. Kind of cool watching it adhere to the screen protector there, or to the screen protector of the phone. So wait our 10 seconds. And then we're going to take this off. Okay, that was the literal easiest screen protector I have ever put on. I am blown away at how easy that was. I got a couple little air bubbles here, but they're just pushing right out. You see that with most screen protectors anyways. It does look like it's a little bit lower. If I turn the screen on, well, I guess it lines right up with the screen there, but it looks like down here it's a little bit further down. But that thing is sharp. It looks clear. It is a tempered glass. It's nice and smooth. There's no issues using that. Let's try it on with the case of my daughter's and see how that works. It is case friendly. It goes right up to the edge of the case there. Even though I thought it was a little bit lower, it actually fits perfectly along the edge of that case there. It does have a little bit of a gap. I do think it could shift up a little bit. It's probably just because I didn't get it on quite right there. Maybe didn't have it seated right. But the good news is I got multiple extras there to try it out with. So let's go and pop this case back off and let's try that lens protector real quick. Okay, so for the lens protector, we're going a little bit more old school. We're going back to the way we used to put on screen protectors. It's going to be by hand there, but shouldn't be too bad. Fortunately, with that camera bar, it does make it a little bit easier to get that lined up. The case test again. And that fits perfectly with the case as well. So all in all, I am very impressed with this screen protector. It went on so insanely easily. That was insanely awesome. It works well. It's very responsive. Like, I don't have any issues with it. Swiping works awesome. Everything's great. It is a tempered glass screen protector. It is very durable. There's no scratches, no dents that I can see there. Everything about this thing is awesome. Getting this screen protector at $22, especially where you get 3 of them, that is an awesome deal. Where it's this easy to install and you can use my 30% off coupon, there's no way you can go wrong with this thing. If you guys have any questions about the screen protector, if you guys have any questions about the installation process, or anything else under the sun, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below and we'll reply as soon as we're available. If you've enjoyed this video, if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.